What's that word? If you here for them fast dudes, you here for them fast cars, then y'all came to the right place. And I can't forget, I'm the realest nigga on YouTube. I swear to God, on B. So we finna upgrade one of the fast dudes. We in the fast dude right now. You hear me? Big track Hawkski, 1,000 horsepower, all that. But we ain't come for all that. Today, this gonna be a U-Haul. You feel me? I ain't even gonna get a new hood for this. We gonna go get a new hood for the Redeye. Go ahead, burn out, you hear me? Show y'all how the track hawk get down here, a couple wines. Might as well go ahead and subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. I wanna thank y'all for watching my channel from the bottom of my heart on B. Like this video, leave a comment where y'all from so we can stay engaged and go follow me on all social. Damn, see, y'all got me messing up already. Follow me on all social media platforms. Scoring the red on my core page, BB_scope. That's my main page. But y'all here for the cause, you hear me? But y'all can be here for my life too. We family. I go ahead and show y'all. It don't matter. But we finna go ahead and get active. Straight up. This video finna be a banger. Nigga, it's litty on B.
Oh my God. Jeez. Niggas like that. I know you did right. Stuff niggas, bitch, stuff. Baby, good love. Full of my cup. Starting fine note. Bro, this car is hella fast, bro. Like, I don't even understand how this is legal, bro, to take on a road. Like, I pray though, I ain't gonna lie, I pray I do not get pulled over. Cause 12 be hot over here, like no cap. Hold on, watch this 0 to 60 real quick. Just watch. We finna blast off favorite rocket ship type shit. You feel me? Woo! Hold on. It's just mean. This steering wheel just make you wanna just. Look at this nigga. Gonna pull up in this big ass truck. Big country truck, man. Come on, bro. This the longest light ever, bro. The hell, bro? What's going on, twin? Cheat. Oh, yeah, we finna get ready to go, though. Watch this 0 to 60, though. Watch this 0 to 60. Y'all gotta be paying attention, bro, because it's gonna come quick. It's gonna come quick, you hear me? It's gonna come quick. I'm telling y'all. Just. Shit! Whoa! Whoa! Hey! I need a quick cutting up, twin. They gonna find the hell out of me out here. Twin, this mug goes stupid, G. On B-though. And name me another YouTuber, bro, that got a fast track hawk, bro. I ain't got nothing like outrageously done to it, but I done put some money into the old. Name me another YouTuber, bro, that doing it like this, though. At this young, you hear me? And I don't say no Quan. Cause that my nigga, I fuck with Quan. But, like this, though. You feel me? You feel me, twin? You better not come over here. You better not come over here, boy. Oh yeah, no, we didn't cut up enough, gang. We finna go ahead, pull up to the what's called, you hear me? Magic trick shit, you feel me? Man, as y'all can see, man, your boy hot as hell. Sweating frogs, dogs, cats, everything, you hear me? And I'm hella crunched up. New hood in here. And I ain't gonna lie, see, he just showed me something, and y'all let me know, like, he got the little headlights for the Challengers, and it changed color and all that. It ain't RGB or none of that. And he said they gonna work with the HID headlights. So y'all let me know if y'all had it before. I'm gonna come back up here Monday, so y'all gonna see me vlog it. Go to the crib, I'm finna drop this off because I don't wanna be riding around like that. And then y'all know I got my TVs in the back. It's all crushed up to my TVs and everything, twin. Like, what the hell? Look at my knees, bro. I'm damn near to the steering wheel, bro. Like, bruh. These fast dudes, bruh, put you in weird positions, man. No Diddy. No baby oil, no none of that. No Diddy. Drop this off at the crib. Then we go to AutoZone to go get the parts and everything. We finna start putting this thing on, man. This is my first time ever doing something like this by myself, bro. Like, I ain't never put no hood, like no whole hood on. Like, never did nothing like that. Like, I know how to like put it on, take it off, and then put it back on, but
what do you mean by that?
I don't know how to take the hinge off and all that extra stuff, but we gonna get to it because I'm tired of that old hood, bro. I'm ready to go full Redeye mode. You hear me? Full Redeye on B. Catch y'all when we get to the crib. Okay. Like it's raining hella bad, G. But it don't even matter, bro. And I'm out here in flops, gang. What the hell? So look, this going by, bro. No more regular Hellcat hood. Get ready to pull the parts out when it stop raining, bro. Y'all see I'm getting hella wet from being out here, bro, but I really don't care. This for y'all. What we're gonna do is we gonna take the hood off this. We're gonna put this thing in the garage. We gonna go ahead and swap the hoods out, which I'm finna do the what's calling now, because I got the keys. I might as well. Rain now. I'm already rained on, shit. Might as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch this out. I'm gonna switch. Yeah, I'm gonna just switch all them bolts. So we gravy. Yes, sir. Back to the crib.
So YouTube, man, welcome to my game room, bro. I know this ain't part of the video, but just wait on it. Just wait on it. You hear me? We gonna get to the video right quick. I said video. If anything, I'm gonna say CDO. It don't matter. I don't understand. Back to the video, man. I'm on my 2K right now, bro. I'm finna go ahead and show y'all. You hear me? Hold on. I'm gonna give y'all my PlayStation Network at first. My PlayStation Network is Skull_INNA_Redeye. Same thing on YouTube. It's just got a couple, underscores in it. That's about it. Run up a little pickup games, bro. We need buckets. You hear me? Don't hop on here and you trash, bro. Like, don't do that. Don't be no squirm. Don't, go ahead and add a nigga, man. Do that one time for the one time. Back to the video on game.
Alright, so family, bro. I was gonna go ahead and do it in the garage, but I said, forget it. I ain't even gonna do it in the garage. We just gonna do it right here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So, got 2 screws right here. They go right here and right here. Then we got 2 screws on each side. We finna go ahead and unscrew both sides. Get it done real quick. This we gonna do. Y'all see, man, we got the hood off in a big cat. This must look hella good. Like, it ain't raining. I hope it don't start raining because I had to put it in the garage. But I hope this thing don't start raining. This supposed to be a 2-person job, but when you dealing with a true professional like me, it's a 1-person job. So we finna go ahead. After you get that off, you gotta disconnect these. These go to the hood latches that's on here. I mean, the little hood little things. I don't know if them some sensors or what. I really don't know. I really don't care. I'm finna take the bolts out of the hood latch and put them on a new one. So we finna get ready and get this one out of the track. Go ahead. We got the hood latches, everything in there. So go ahead, get that out. And this motherfucker packed like Mexicans. Hopefully we ain't damaged nothing, but we finna go ahead and get that out, man. Place it over there. We're gonna be good to go.